Greetings and salutations, folks. My name is James Balmuda, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up SelectorGadget. If we go ahead and go to SelectorGadget.com, we're going to be taken to the home of the SelectorGadget bookmarklet. There are two ways that we can go ahead and install in SelectorGadget. The first way that I'm going to show is the bookmark way of installing SelectorGadget. To do so, scroll all the way down until you see drag this link to your bookmark bar and click and hold on the SelectorGadget until it shifts from being a blue link to being a red-ish link. You'll also sort of see there's like a gray undertone. Then drag this up to where your bookmark bar is, and just like that, you now have SelectorGadget installed. If we go ahead and we press the bookmark, notice how in the bottom of our screen we have the SelectorGadget selection box that appears. And if we move around on the web page, we actually have colors appearing for each of the HTML elements that exist on the page. To exit out of this SelectorGadget, all you have to do is press the X button down at the bottom right-hand side. The second way that we can go about installing SelectorGadget is we can use the Chrome Extension. So if we go to the Chrome add-ons, we can press Add to Chrome. We will then be prompted to add the extension to make sure that we really want it. Once we press it, notice in the upper right-hand corner we now have a magnifying glass, and if we click on this magnifying glass on, let's say, a non-Chrome web page, notice that we get the SelectorGadget apparatus appearing in the lower part of the page, as well as the ability to select different elements on the page.